Hi guys, we are here at Decals Republic, Makati. I'm with Mike, my friend, the owner of Decals Republic. Mike, can you tell us about something about yourself?
Alright.
Konti lang.
Welcome, Leslie sa Decals Republic. I'm Michael Bautista, the owner of Decals Republic, Makati. 6 years in function, and then I'm also a rider since 2003 together with our friend Leslie.
Parang tagal na yun
Yes, exactly.
Mike, can you tell us kung ano yung mga kayang gawin ng shop mo?
Okay, Decals Republic we can do sticker printouts, cutouts, replica stickers for our MC.
Bikes and
Bikes, yes.
Cars,
Exactly.
pwede rin.
Cars also. We do stickers in cars. We have t-shirt printing also. We have laces.
You also have plates?
We have plates also
Yeah,
for MC
plates.
and automobile. And we can do customized giveaways.
Basically, kahit ano pwede, ano?
Yes, exactly.
Basta
As long as digital printing.
Yeah, so Mike, ano ba yung mga equipment mo? Pakita natin.
We have equipments such as cutter platter, 48 inches cutter platter. We have also 24 inches cutter platter. We have...
Pero di ka mas maganda. Tour natin.
Yes, exactly. So,
This is Virayos.
okay. Dito sa area na to, dito si Jerby, taga-himay natin. One of my installer din also. Then this is my 48 inches cutter platter. This is the appearance. Cut niya yan dyan. Exactly dyan. Then let's proceed here. This is Charmaine. Kaway. Charmaine also one of my installers. Siya rin nag-layout. Then this is my choices of vinyls. Pwede siya sa kotse, pwede siya sa motorcycle. This is my films for lenses such as MC lenses and automotive lenses. I have also here my 2006 hardworking platter cutter. So up to now, money maker pa siya. And then this is my different designs of stickers na ginawa lahat sa platter. And then introduce ko yung heat press na can make designs. And lastly, this is my workstation. Dito ginagawa lahat ng designs, ideas, and kung ano gusto nyo pa-customize.
Yun, tapos na tayo mag-tour. Tanong natin kay Mike kung meron siya for HCIPH. Mike?
Speaking of HCIPH.
Yeah, ano bang
regard
pwede sa kanila? From you?
HCIPH! Intended for HCIPH, my special package. Just visit my shop or call on the numbers on the screen.
Yeah, nasa screen natin yung number. Oh Mike, balita ko may ginawa ka sa bike.
Sa bike ko, meron.
Tingnan natin.
Sure.
So may gano'n bang ginawa mo dyan?
Okay, introducing my bike. My latest bike. Okay. Naglagay kami ng stickers, printout stickers, cutout stickers na ginagawa namin sa shop.
Ito ba yung film?
Yes, exactly. Filming. Kagaya na ginawa namin sa bike ni Leslie.